Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another FTMO video. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a bit of an update as to how my second challenge and verification went. I did post on my Instagram about a month ago that I did complete my second challenge. However, I just completed my verification, so wanted to upload the videos together to give you guys a bit of a breakdown as to the trades that I took and how I really found the second challenge and verification overall. So I actually started the second challenge on the 18th of October and I completed it on the 27th of October. So it took me about 9 to 10 days to complete the challenge overall. So now I'm going to take you guys to my FTMO account metrics and also my trading logs, just to show you what trades I took to complete the challenge. So this is my FTMO account metrics. As you guys can see here, I started it on the 18th of October. I had a month to complete it. This is my FTMO equity curve. I'm not too happy with it overall, just because I was in quite a big negative of about 8K. And I guess this is going to be quite an important video for those of you guys who also possibly are in a loss in your FTMO challenge. You may be in a -5%, -6%, -7%, -8%, whatever it may be. But it just goes to show that you can revive it and you still can complete the challenge regardless of how big your negative may be, as long as you obviously haven't hit the maximum daily loss of 10K. The maximum overall loss of 10K. For this challenge, I actually wanted to change up my trading style and see if a different trading style would possibly work better. So rather than holding swings, my trading style for this was a lot more intraday trades, hence the large number of trades in comparison to my first challenge, and also why it obviously took me a bit longer to complete the challenge as well. So now what I'm going to do is take you guys to my log, which is going to show you guys a bit more on the trades that I took and give you a bit more of a breakdown. So yeah, overall my risk to reward was 1 to 2. The number of winning trades that I had was 75 and my losing trades being 132, with a success rate of 36.2%. Although my success rate was at 36%, I was still able to complete the challenge due to having a strict risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Therefore showing that although you may not have a great success rate, as long as you have a good risk to reward ratio, you can still overall be profitable. Overall, I caught 1,846 positive pips and I had a negative of 1,461, leaving me in an overall positive of 384 pips. Even though I had such a high number of negative pips in a period of 10 days, I was still overall able to hit the 10% due to having a good strategy and good risk management. This is a quick breakdown table of my week and the amount of trades that I took per day and their success rate, the amount of positive and negative pips that I was able to catch. So this trade on gold was actually able to catch me the biggest gain overall in terms of percentage, being 5.87%, which I caught on this trade. Also, in terms of pips, I was able to catch 293 pips on this trade, with an overall profit of $5,874. And I placed 2 lots on this trade and held it for a duration of 1 day. The second best trade being, again, gold. I was able to catch 3% gain on this trade and I held it for 3 hours and a half approximately. Euro AUD, another really successful trade. I was able to catch 1.67% on this trade and I held it for 23 hours, almost a full day. Euro AUD, I was able to catch 1.32% overall gain on this trade and I held it for 1 hour, 30 minutes. Euro USD, which I actually posted on TradingView as well, and that caught me approximately 1% as well. Let me just show you guys on TradingView. So this is the trade that I posted, and as you guys can see, it hit my take profit quite quickly of 128 pips. Euro JPY, and again, another really successful trade. I was able to catch 0.43% on this trade, and I again posted it on TradingView. So as you guys can see here, I had a target of 234 pips. It was a swing trade, but it was one which I closed off and then re-entered when I felt it was the best time to re-enter. This again went quite well. USD CHF, which I caught 0.63% on this trade, again posted on TradingView. So yeah, as you guys can see, it did hit my take profit target and went well above and beyond that. So now moving on to the trades which didn't go too well for me. I have a gold trade which I lost minus 2% on this trade, and this again was posted on TradingView. This is a quick breakdown of the setup that I had in mind, and I held it for 6 hours 21 minutes. Another gold trade which I lost just about 0.7% on this trade. It initially was in profit, but then hit my stop loss, and I held it for 9 hours. NZD USD, I lost minus 0.67% on this trade, and yeah, that's another one of my losses. So that is it, guys. That is the full breakdown of the trades that I took to complete the second challenge. Again, as I mentioned, it isn't possibly the best that it could have been because I was in a big negative. I did have quite a few big losses, but that is part of what makes trading. You can't have your wins without losses. You can't have your profit without risk. As long as you have a set strategy or trading plan that you know works, stick to it, and eventually it will pay off, regardless of whether you're in a negative at the beginning or not. Overall, if you know it works, you will be able to pull through. So although I was in a negative, I was able to revive it and bring it back up, as I did stick to my strategy. So part 2 will be my FTMO verification, which I completed in 1 day in 28 trades. That was a really, I'd say, easy verification for me, as I did it in 1 day, and I really did enjoy it as I had a really good trading week. So you guys will be able to watch that in the next video, so stay tuned and watch that next.